There's a thing going on in the business community and the high performance community that says, work hard, work hard, work hard, work hard, work hard. Go like crazy. Got to work harder. You got to work. You got to get in it. You got to go. But nowhere in there is the discussion of recovery. Go hard, burn a lot of energy, recover where? How does that work? What? How does that work? In sport, put out a big effort. You wear the body down. You in training or in competition, and then athletes look to recover. Energy goes out, body breaks down. Energy is then in recovery built up again, and the body is brought back again. Energy out, energy in, effort out, rest, rebuild. There is an art to doing this, which of course is not in our high performance narrative. It's all work, 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 go, 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 put out energy, exhaust yourself, and then, well, you're exhausted. How do you recover? And the greats do that. The greats are good at it. They use all the energy they have because they know they can replenish it quickly. Skill. This is a skill. This is not like I have a positive thought. It's I have this powerful skill. I can go hard, dump tons of energy into my performance, my work, and then I rebuild it. And I can do it again. It's like this magic thing. I can keep going. The ever-ready bunny thing. But no, we got to work, 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 and we never talk about how do you become the ever-ready bunny and recharge your battery. No, just work until you're done. Brilliant. Do that with athletes and they just shatter. And you have brilliant athletes who are destroyed at Olympic Games. Oh, that would have not happened to our team this year. No. Run into the ground by a nutcase coach. No recovery. We're just going to grind it, grind it, grind it. And then when they got the Olympics, there's nothing on the tank. They were done. So, recovery. A couple things. Concept of grounding. Grounding, dirt, sand, laying on it. We naturally have an ability when we're laying on the ground to dump energy that's crap out into the ground and bring in clean energy. There's the thing about most of this energetic response stuff. We have an automatic system built in. Camping on the ground, great. Some people use beaches, great. Going to the beach is terrific. Lay on the sand. Oh, but it's boring. Pay attention here. Boring, good. Boring forces your system to shut down. You're in the ever-go thing. To get good recovery, you need to go to the beach, do an SFA holiday, a sweet fuck all holiday, get into boredom. Boredom forces the system to shut down. Try it. You have to work through it. It takes a couple of days. You're bored, you're out of your mind. I gotta go, I gotta go, I gotta go. Don't. Go back to the beach. Lay on the sand, not in a beach chair, sand, towel, ground. You can rebuild your energy very quickly doing that. Great thing to do is hike in the mountains and sleep in a tent. Other things, if you don't have access to that, you can walk in water. On the edge of the ocean, up to your knees, walking in water, really grounding. Get to a creek, get to a river, get a folding chair, sit in the water, ground. It's a simple technique, grounding. Try it, experiment with it, because everybody's different. Going to a beach, great. We got summer in a month and a bit. People have breaks. It's time to regen, reboot the batteries, recharge yourself. It's a skill. The summer practice. Look at books like Head Games, my book, for ways to go about recharging your batteries. It's a skill that greats have. Put out the energy, rebuild the energy. We don't talk about the rebuild part. We just say, whoa, go, 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 go. Let's work on the rebuild part so you can go better and go harder and go longer. But to do that, you have to rebuild and recharge your battery. Skills, skill set, skill set, skill set. It's not a better thought. It's a skill. It needs to be practiced, needs to be honed, and you need to do the thing. Summer is coming up, breaks are coming up. Use the break to master recharging your own batteries.